Hi everyone. This is video 2 of 3 on how to make a 360-degree video. This video is on gathering and practicing using your equipment. It's a good idea to take some time to get to know your equipment. You're going to be using a 360-degree camera, a tripod, and an optional feature is to use your cell phone to remotely control the camera. So there's so many 360-degree cameras out there. The ones that this video will be specific to and any guides that we offer will be for the GoPro 360. You may choose to use any camera that you wish to use, but please refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. There will be 7 steps that we will recommend. Number 1, your camera. On our 3-step guide, we refer a How to Use a GoPro Max Quick Start Guide for your reference. Number 2, cell phone connectivity. While this option is up to you, it is recommended that to download the GoPro Max software to your cell phone. That way you are able to remotely control your device just from your cell phone. So this would be great if you are hiding in a place where you don't want to be visible and you would like to start recording your footage. 3, the tripod. Again, referring to our 3-step guide, please use the resource that we have here on how to use the tripod with the GoPro. Some recommendations is that you place the tripod in a place where it is stable and that it is on the ground. We don't advise you to place it on a car or any other object that can distract from the video itself. Remember, the video perspective is that of the viewer. So put the tripod in a place where you might have a person standing there in real life. Number 4, GPS and site markers. You will need to take the lat-long coordinates of the site you have chosen. You can do that, of course, with GPS or on your smartphone, and you're going to enter that in a datasheet, which we will talk about in video 3. Also, bringing flags, posts, or other markers to mark your site so you can return to the exact spot is highly recommended. Even making very small changes in the position can be disorienting for the viewer when they watch remaining seasonal videos of your site. And it would be more difficult for them to make comparisons across the different seasons. You're going to be entering this information in your 360-degree data sheet template, which will be found again in video 3. Number 5, compass and directional markers. Each video needs to identify true north because we will be placing a compass on the tripod to hide it from the viewer. So taking account of the best way to identify true north is to use a compass and then take some practice footage to see if there's anything in the shot that aligns with true north. If there is, make note of the object in the video and give this information in the datasheet when you submit the video. If not, you're going to need to mark true north with flagging or some other kind of mark. Be sure to take some more practice footage to make sure the mark can be seen in the video. Number 6, hard drive. So depending on your camera, you're going to be taking some very large videos. And of course, we are asking that these videos be 3 to 5 minutes long. So you can anticipate your footage to be about 2 to 10 gigabytes. So you're going to need capacity on your computer to store these files, or you might need to obtain an external hard drive. Number 7, practice. It's recommended to practice going to the site. So take a note about how long it takes you to travel there and set up the camera and tripod, and of course, take the footage. This will give you an opportunity to understand how long it will take you for when you really go to capture that footage, including designating the direction for true north.